Hello crafters, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be making a spring summer home decor piece using a Pondland wooden frame. This is a 4x6 wooden frame. It's kind of a deep one, which is quite nice. We're going to be using the Bellaboo paper pad stocked at createathomewithg.com. Some art glitter glue, the spatulas stocked in my store. Going to need some Tim Holtz scissors or any scissors you want, some decorative butterflies. I'm hoping to get these butterflies for you this year. They're plastic wings, but they've got a lovely glitter to them. I hope that translates well on camera. You're going to need some hot glue, and you're going to need some burlap. So, first thing to do is take the frame out of its packaging and take the glass out of the frame, because for this particular project you're not going to need it. You can, if you want, you can use that on a card base. If you do a 4x6 card, because you've only got this little bit here, if you do a 1/4 of an inch insert, you can cover that up quite easily, so that makes a nice little insert for you to keep. So dispose of the glass sensibly and safely, and then choose your paper. Now my theme this kind of spring is kind of neutral, so these pinks and some of the vibrant colours won't really work, but just going through the paper pad to show you some gorgeous papers in this paper pad, great for this time of year. I think I might go for the stripe, because on the one I've already done I've used the polka dots, so yep, that goes. So I'm going to use the stripe on this one. Put that back, right. Let's measure where I need this to be. I'm going to cut off the excess. You could distress the edges if you wish, but as I've got the burlap there, I think that's enough. Just personally, I think that's enough in regards to the distress look, but do this according to your aesthetics. Okay, now I need to glue this onto my insert, onto the this MDF wood piece from the picture frame. Now I am going to leave a section here fairly unglued, because I need to put the hanging mechanism back in, and if I glue the paper down I'm not going to be able to put that mechanism behind it. So here's my mechanism. I just need to slide that behind, and I can seal the paper around it. Okay, now I need some burlap. And this burlap is very unstraight, but what can you do? You go with it. Come on, cut off. There we go. I'm going to cut off the hem at the bottom and the hem at the top, because I want to fray this burlap. It don't have to be loads of frays, but just a nice fraying, just to give it that kind of rustic look. And using some hot glue, I'm just going to dab some hot glue just on the center there and place my burlap, using my spatula to put it in place. Oh, what did I catch there? Piece of hot glue. Okay, then using your decorative butterflies, you glue those on. Then you pop it back into your frame, close it up, and you have some very cheap, inexpensive and eye-catching home decor pieces. Just need to lift you back up. There we go. So I think they look really quite sweet. So just a quick craft for you today, just some really quick and easy spring decor pieces. Thank you very much for joining me, crafters, and I will see you again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.